Illustrator gives the possibility to transform a vector artwork at any way you want, so you can easily move, scale, or rotate a shape by different ways. So in this video, we'll see how to scale a shape and how to rotate it by two methods. First, dragging by the mouse, and then by using the Properties panel. Now, I select the selection tool from the Tools panel in the left, and I come down and I select this artwork. We'll see how to resize it. And as you see, since I select this artwork, the bounding box is surrounded by these handles. So if you don't see the bounding box, choose View, Show Bounding Box. If you see Hide Bounding Box, it's okay. So I start by resizing this shape by dragging this handle on the corner of this box, so you can resize it easily. But if you want to resize a shape in a proportional way, press Shift K and drag. So the width and height changes proportionally. Like that, you don't distort it as you are resizing. And here, the reference point is in the left corner, since I am dragging the top right handle. But if you want the reference point to be in the middle of this shape, I press Shift and Alt key or Option on Mac and I drag. Next, I use the Properties panel on the right to resize the shape by entering specific values. So I come here to select this shape. Then, in the Properties panel that you can see here on the right, you can change the shape's width, height, rotation, and a lot more. Now, I click on this icon to maintain the width and height proportions while scaling. So if I change one value, the other changes proportionally. So I'll type in 300 for the width value, so the height changes proportionally. Now we'll learn how to rotate a shape by dragging it. So with this shape selected, I come to the top right corner, and when this rotate arrow appears, I click and drag to rotate it. And if I want the rotation to be straightened to 45 degrees, I press Shift K. So as you can see, the shape is rotating by 45 degrees. Now I release the mouse. You can also rotate a shape using the Properties panel. So I select this artwork, and then you can enter a specific value here to specify the rotation angle. But first, we'll set the reference point by clicking on this icon. It represents the handles of the bounding box to this shape. So we'll use the left lower corner as a rotation reference point. I click here to select the lower left handle. Then I select 30 degrees from this list to set the rotation angle to 30 degrees, so you can see the result. Now that you have seen different techniques in this lesson of how to resize or rotate an artwork, you can experiment in your own design, because it's something that you will do a lot when you are creating an artwork.